guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your Google Calendar embed code. So if you want to embed your Google Calendar in a web page, it is very easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to find the code. So once you open up that Google Calendar, click the settings menu or the settings gear in the upper right hand side. Click on settings, guys, and on the left hand side ensure that you choose that specific calendar that you want. So let's say I want to do that for Drew tutorial. I click on this calendar here and you want to scroll all the way down and you'll find the embed code. So here is the embed code. You can simply go ahead and copy this embed code, and you can easily go ahead and embed this in your web page. You also have the option to customize it. So if you click on customize, you can go ahead and you can customize it to your liking. As you can see, there's the embed code. You can copy it and you can choose how you want to. So here it is basically showing the month. You can go ahead and you can switch this. It is showing a particular day. You can basically set it from month. You can switch that to weekly. You can set that to a specific schedule. Based on what you choose, you'll be able to have that, and you can basically copy that specific code, and that's it, and even show you how it will look, so you can easily have an idea how it will look once you put it into your web page as well. And that's it, guys. You can also choose what you want to show on the left hand side. So here you can show what you want to choose. You can even give it a title if you so desire. So if you want to put, print icons, or you want to take off some stuff, it's really up to you. You can change the width and the size. You can choose how you want it. If you want it a month or weekly schedule, as I showed you there, you can even set the start day. You can change the language. You can do multiple stuff. So before you embed it or get that code, just simple adjust it to your liking, and you can go ahead and copy the code right afterwards. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.